and want to tidy up the sofa. It's always the center of attention, and its appearance determines the entire feel of the room. First, I remove all unnecessary items from the sofa, the game console, the remote, and small items that simply end up there over time. Then I take the bedspread and begin to tuck it in. I carefully unfold it, align the edges, and smooth the fabric so it lies flat and wrinkle-free. I run my palm over the surface, smoothing out any small wrinkles. I love this moment. It's calm, slow, almost meditative. With each stroke, the bedspread lies smoother and neater, as if following the shape of the sofa. I smooth the edges, carefully tucking them down so the fabric looks neat and slightly hugging the sofa, creating a sense of completeness. After that, I arrange the pillows. They add softness and make the space feel more homey. Small moments like these are what home care is all about. Quiet, calm, and very warm. When order is all around, a sense of harmony emerges within. Thank you for spending this time with me.